Hello everyone. Today we are going to start how to select ledgers and journals in ERP Tally. As you already know how to create the companies in the Tally software, we are going to start with how to make the ledgers. So first of all, we have to know the journal entries. As you are the commerce students, you might know all the journal entries, how it have to be passed. So for this, we are going to do in Tally. First of all, you go to accounts info. After opening this company, whatever company you have opened, open the company account. After that, go to accounts info. Click on this accounts info. Then you will see here groups, ledger, voucher types and quit is written. So you have to go to ledger first. Then you can see here single ledger and multiple ledgers you can create. If you want one by one to create ledgers, then go for single ledgers. If you want at once, you want to create multiple ledgers, then go for multiple ledgers. So first of all, we'll create first single ledgers one by one. Just click on this create. When you press this, you need not use the mouse for creating this. You just have to press the enter key. Just select it and press the enter key. So you can see here ledger creation is given. You have seen name is given under inventory values are affected or no. So first of all, we are going to create one ledger. Let's say we are going to create any bank name. I'm making it SBI Bank. So SBI Bank, when we are creating, under which account does bank comes? It comes under your bank account, right? So in the right hand side, you can see here bank account is there. So you click on this bank account. Other things, you don't have to enter anything out here. The account holder names will come here as your company name, account number. If you have to write it down. If you don't have, you can skip it. Bank name, not applicable. Branch, if you want it, then only you can enter here. Then you keep on pressing the enter key. No need to enter anything here. Country is India is coming and state Mizoram is coming. Pin code, if you want to give, you can give the pin code, but it is not compulsory to use it. But here you can see your opening balance is given. Opening balance, no amount should be entered when you are creating the ledgers. We'll enter the amount only when we are making the journals. So when you see here accept yes or no, just press enter, it will be accepted. That means we have created one bank account, that is SBI Bank. Another account, let's say we create one supplier name, that is XYZ company. XYZ company, he is a supplier. So supplier is known as your creditors, those who gives money or those who lends money to the company. So from here, from this right hand side, you select any debtors or creditors is there. So here you can see sundry creditors is there. So click on sundry creditors. If you want to maintain balance bill by bill, say yes. If you don't want, then you can say it as no and keep pressing it. Other things remains the same. When you press accept, say yes. So two accounts we have already created, that is your SBI account. SBI account is coming under your bank account, and XYZ company, who is a creditor, it is coming under your sundry creditors. Now let's say we want to create one more account, that is ABC company. Now ABC company is a borrower. When we say borrower, it is under your debtors. So debtors, again you can see in your right hand side, just click on debtors and keep pressing the enter key until we reach the last and just accept it. So we have created 3 ledgers so far. Now let's say we'll create another account. What items you want to purchase? Let's say we are purchasing computer. Now computer is a machine, right? So computer, if it is a machine, it has to coming under your fixed asset. So from the right hand side, you can just select the fixed assets first. Fixed asset, just see the fixed assets where it is. Here you can see fixed assets is there, so click on fixed assets. Other things you don't have to bother about that. You just keep clicking and just accept it. Another one, let's say another fixed assets we want to create, let's say building. Building also, as you know, it is a fixed asset, so come under fixed assets, keep pressing enter, and then accept it. So how many ledgers we have created so far? 4 ledgers we have already created. Now let's say you want to, when you make a company, you have to make some kind of expenses as well, right? So let's say we make salary account. Salary is created for giving salaries to the employees. So salaries will come under which expenses? Salaries is an expenses, and that is a indirect expenses. So select this indirect expenses. Other things no need to enter, and accept it. Now suppose another expense is there, rent. Rent is also an expense. So indirect expense, then come to enter and accept. So far we have created ledgers. Now how to see this ledgers which you have already created? Just from this screen, you just go back. How to go back? Just press the escape key. And you can see here we have created some ledgers. If you want to see it, just click on this display. So you can see here what companies or what ledgers we have created so far. ABC Company. ABC Company is a debtor. Building is a fixed asset. Cash is already created ledgers, default ledgers. Computer we have created, that is also a fixed assets. Profit and loss account is also again a default account. Rent is an expense, salary is an expense, and SBI Bank is a bank account, and XYZ Company is your creditors. Now, if you want to go back again, press the escape key. Now, if you have made any kind of mistakes, then you can change it by going to alter. Just click on alter. If you want to change something here, just enter it and you can make the changes if you want. Done. And just to display, if you want to display it, if you just go and press here, you cannot alter anything. Remember that if you want to change anything, if you want to alter something, you have to press the alter key only, not the display account. Display is just for display, and create is for creating your ledgers, new ledgers. Display is just for displaying, alter is for making certain kind of changes. So this is how we create the ledgers. Now we'll go back from here. After we have created the ledgers, now we need to pass the journal entries. If we need to pass the journal entries, what we have to do is you go to accounting vouchers. We'll not go to accounting info. Accounts info is for creating ledgers, and accounting voucher is for making the journal entries. Now let's say we want to make some payment. Payment account, receipt account, journal account, sales account. Whenever you are making payment, you will always fill the journal entries in this payment account. If you are making sales, then you will go for sales account. If you are receiving something, then you will go for receipt account. And if you are doing bank-to-bank transaction, then you will go to contra account. And if you are purchasing something, go for purchase account. And all the shortcuts are given out here. That means you just press F9 for purchase, F8 for sales, F7 for journal, F6 for receipt, and F4 for contra. So now let's say one example, we will just take ABC Company. So ABC Company was my debtor. He have taken money of 20,000 rupees from some company on credit. Now how do we do that? Is you just create an account and you write here ABC. Let's say from the bank we have taken a loan. So we create the SBI. Who have taken a loan? ABC Company have taken a loan, right? So we can say here ABC Company. So how much amount he have taken the loan? He have taken 20,000 rupees. So here in this vouchers only we need to put up the amounts, not while creating the ledgers. So press here account, on account reference, the total amount is given here. Narration, if you want to make a narration, then you can write it, otherwise you can skip it. Now if the loan has been taken by check form, with the help of a check, then you can give the check numbers, otherwise no need to mention it. Then you just come here, narration, here you can see narration is given, this box, you can just write being money borrowed by ABC company from SBI Bank. Otherwise, if you don't want to write anything also it is okay. Then you just come here and say accept.